What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level, dynamically typed scripting language primarily used for front-end web development. What are the different data types in JavaScript? Number, string, boolean, object, undefined, null, symbol. How do you declare variables in JavaScript? Using var, let, or const keywords. What's the difference between let, const, and var in variable declaration? Let and const have block scope, while var has function scope. What is a closure in JavaScript? A closure is a function that has access to its own scope, outer function scope, and the global scope. Explain hoisting in JavaScript. Hoisting is a behavior where variable and function declarations are moved to the top of their containing scope during compilation. What is the event loop in JavaScript? The event loop is a mechanism that allows asynchronous code to be executed in a non-blocking way. What is a callback function? A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function, which is then invoked later. What is the difference between null and undefined? Null is an intentional absence of value, while undefined indicates a variable has been declared but not assigned a value. What is a nan in JavaScript? Nan stands for not a number, and is a special value representing an unrepresentable value resulting from an invalid mathematical operation. What is the purpose of the this keyword in JavaScript? This refers to the current context or object, depending on how it's used. What is a callback hell or pyramid of doom? Callback hell refers to deeply nested callback functions, which can make code hard to read and maintain. What is a promise in JavaScript? A promise is an object that represents the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation and allows handling it in a more structured way. What is async await in JavaScript? Async await is a way to write asynchronous code in a more synchronous style, making it easier to read and understand. What is the difference between null and undefined? Null is an intentionally assigned value representing no value or empty, while undefined is the default value for uninitialized variables. Explain the same origin policy in the context of JavaScript and web security. The same origin policy restricts web pages from making requests to a different domain than the one that served the web page.